Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. This is Cosmos View, and on today's tutorial I'll be showing you around the application called Pixelap and every tools in Pixelap, how to navigate through it, every functions, what they mean, what they stand for, and how you can use each and every one of these tools to create a stunning design for yourself. So before we start, I'll be showing you what these particular tools at the top, what they stand for here. This where you see my brush here. So I'll be showing you what it stands for. So the first one here. Now once you launch your Pixelap, the first thing that appears is this text here, your background. This your background here, your background, okay. And normally this is not how the background is. Let me set it at default. Let me set it at default. So these are default. So these are the size of the default looks like. Okay, so excuse me. So it comes in like this. So the first thing you do here now, like I said, we'll start on this first one here. So this first one here is our, you see it like in a pen format. Okay, so once you click on it, you see these other tools that came out. You see the pen. This is your copy. This is your size. This is your rotate. This is your relative position. That is, if you want to centralize it, either to be at the center, or the left, right, or the right corner of it, or the left corner of it, or the top, or the bottom corner of it. And this one here is your color. So you can use whatever color you wish to use. Now this one is if you wish to send any of your elements, your image, your text, whatever you wish to send, if you wish to send it to be at the top, you send it to be at the top. This one, if I'm not mistaken, yes, this one should be sending to the back. So let's just go to now. If you should click on this pencil here, I'm sorry, let me take this off. You should click on this pen here. Now this is it asks you to like add your text. So let me add my name here. My name, all is well. You click OK. Now you can see now my name has popped up. Now the next one here is the copy. So if we click on this copy here, it duplicates my name. Okay, now the next one here is this. So you see the size. So you can increase it to whatever size that you wish to increase it to. Okay, increase it to a size. Now the next one here, we are still on this top pen here. The next one here is our rotate. So if you wish to rotate to any angle 360 minus 360, any one you wish to. Okay, so the next pen here is now the relative position I told you about. You can put it to be at the center, middle center. This is the top, this is the left, this is the right, and this is the bottom. And like I said, this it gives you, it puts it at the center. But now if you want this to be at this particular center point, all you just need to just do is to click this particular one here, this one. Once you click on it, you see what will happen. It takes you to the middle of it. Now this particular one we have to centralize it. Okay, let me just assume I adjust this and I want to just centralize it, you see. So that's it for that. And then the next one here is our color here. So whatever color we wish to use, whatever color, this here is our gradient. We wish to use our gradient. As time goes on in our design, you'll be able to learn how to mash up your colors to get a perfect gradient. Okay, and let me leave this. And then the next one here, it's now if you wish to send this to the back. So now this comes to the top. So if I want to send it to the back, is now, you see now, is at the back of this all is well. Now you see the colored one is at the back. You can see it's at the back. But if I want it to be at the front, you see now it's at the front. Are you noticing some changes here? Now the next two here, the next two, which is the delete. So we just use it to delete. Let me just click on delete. You click on OK. So it's gone. Now the next two now after that, the next two now after that is this arrow here. You've got mail. This arrow here is for if you wish to, like, maybe you made a mistake and you would like to go back to your previous work. All you just have to do here is to just click here and you see it's back. Now the next one here is our zoom. So this is our zoom here. If we wish to zoom in, maybe when designing maybe our texts, maybe when we start applying our typography, our texts are merged, everything, we're trying to make sure that our designs are readable, so that we won't start missing out on something. And most of the times it's you making use of phone, so that sometimes some of it might look a little bit jumpy. So all you just have to just is to just use your zoom here. Okay, use your zoom here and zoom in so you can use it to zoom through. So I'm kind of in a rush. So that's it for our zoom here. So the next one is this it's our grid line here. So our grid line. So what is the function of our grid line? This grid line is very, very helpful because it helps you put your work in the box. Excuse me. So it helps you make sure that your work is not out of text. That is to make sure that you have a perfect alignment in your work. So this is it now. So if I want this particular the name, let me turn this around. Why is this stiff? Oh, our zoom is still active. Okay, so if I want this name now to be, if I want this name now, if I want it to be in these two lines here, in this one line here and this line here, so what I just have to just do is to just, it gives me a perfect guide. So this is it. So it's not out of line. So just something like this. Let me make it to be here. Now you see, you can see now. So it helps us whenever we are designing and we want it to be on a perfect line. Okay, let me just show you another example. Now if I want this name here and this name to fit on a perfect line, or maybe you're confused if they're in perfect line or not and everything. So what you do here, you click on why is my brush doing this? So you click on this here, you click on it, and once you click on it, it makes you move your grid line. It makes you move your grid line. So you might want to take your grid line and make sure that they are exactly at the same spot. Now you can see they're exactly at the same spot. So if you want to have as many lines as you wish to get and everything, you click here, and it will give you this. Now I want it to be 6 by 6, 6 by 6. Now you see we are having more lines. Okay, we're having more lines. So you just have to just make sure that you just make do with this. With this, you can add as many lines as you wish to add, as many lines as you wish to add, as many lines as you wish to add. Now you're saying this is taking off the line, this is adding more lines, This is adding more lines. This is also adding more lines. Or that is it. So let's go back. Let's go back. We don't want this. Or let's just move on. So now the next one here, the next one we need to do here is to this one here. So what we'll do here now is when you click on it, now it gives you, now if you have multiple elements or multiple images or multiple taxes that you're running on it and everything, it appears there. Now I'll come back to that. Let me just add another thing now. What am I going to add? Let me add shape now. Now you can see we've talked about the text. You can add current date from here. You click on it again, you can add your stickers, whatever stickers you wish to add, you can add it. The next one is shapes. You can add your shape, and you come here and you navigate through whatever. These are all the shapes you can find in Pixelap, so you can use any shape you wish to use. Now this is a star. You can come here, reduce the opacity of it, give it some color, increase the stroke width, reduce the opacity. So there are so many things. So as time goes on, you'll be able to know more. So now you see we've added date. Now if you click on this, now you can see now our date is now in our overlay here. Okay, so like I said, as time goes on, we'll get used to it. So now the next thing is from, if you want to import your image, you click here from gallery. So let me just say importing this, then click on OK. So you can see, so you can import anything from your drive, from your dashboard, your drive, your dashboard, your hard disk, your SD card, or even your phone storage. So whatever thing you have in store, you can import any of it from there. And then the next one you are seeing here is in like a disk, floppy disk. So it's the save icon here. So you can save in whichever format. Once you save in projects, that means that you can go back to that same work without losing it. That's the beauty of it, saving as project, because you might do a design for someone, and the person says, oh, I want you to make 1 or 2 changes in this, I want you to make 1 or 2 changes in this, and you'll be like, okay, fine, let me make the change. So as long as you have it saved as project, you're good to go. And then if you want to deliver the work to the person, you save as image. And whenever you're saving as image, do not save in this dimension, which is the default. It will make the work blurry. It will make your design blurry. So what you have to just do when you save, make sure you save in very high or ultra. I believe everybody saves in ultra, so it just depends on whichever way one you're saving at. And then once you click on save, you see you have it saved now. Now the next one is still the share. If you wish to share to whoever we're sharing to, so you can see, so whoever you're sharing to, you wish to share to whoever you're sharing to. And then the next one now is this excuse me. Now the next one we wish to share is this. This is our quotes here. So if we want to add our quotes, just come here and you add whatever quotes you wish to add. So just add the quotes, and whatever quotes you wish to add, you're good to go. So, and the next one here, which you've also is part of it, we see use from gallery, full screen, use image from camera, which we've talked around this. And if you want to see tutorials, contact support and everything, so that is the best you can see. So as as you keep progressing in your work and everything, some other features might pop out, but I believe I must have touched everything. So the only thing you need to just know are maybe whenever you're making use of your text and everything, you add in some other. Okay, let me click on it. Now once you click on your text, now this particular line here, so you see different things here, this one here, and then this one down below, let me delete this and cancel it. Now you can see we have just like A here, and then this one here. So as time goes on, you start getting used to it. Now if I click on the A, you see other features you can see for text. So features comes out depending on the one you're using. If you click on image, and you click on the next one after the A, and you see its features as well comes up. So different kinds of any project you're working on, and different functions comes out. So thank you for staying tuned. See you in my next video. Please make sure you don't forget to subscribe. Bye.